Let's evaluate the limit for this particular function. Now if you substitute 2 in this particular function, we will get 0 by 0. So which is indeterminate. We can try it out. 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 2 by 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2, which is 8 minus 10 plus 2 by 4 minus 6 plus 2, which is 10 minus 10, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So this is indeterminate. So we will have to simplify this by getting the factors for this equation. Let's simplify. Now 2x minus 5x plus 2. We need to find the roots. How do we find the roots? By using sum product method. Sum product. Now we will have to get two numbers, product of which is this one. The coefficient of this and the constant, if you multiply, you should be getting 4. And if you add two numbers, you should be getting minus 5. So the product has to be 4 and the sum should be minus 5. Now what are the options we have? We can use 4 and 1. Right? So if you use 4 and 1, the sum has to be negative. So it has to be minus 4 and minus 1. And when you multiply minus 4 with minus 1, you are going to get plus 4, which is what we need here. Just to reiterate, why we need 4? 4 is the product of the coefficient of x square and constant. So let's use the numbers as 4 minus 4 and minus 1. So we'll get, let's split it, 2x square minus 4x minus 1x, which is x plus 2. Basically we are splitting this 5x as minus 4x and minus x. And now here again we can use sum product method. Here if you look at the product of this coefficient is 1 and the constant. So product has to be 2 and sum has to be minus 3. Now which are the two numbers? It can be 2 and 1. So 2 into 1 is 2, which is fine. But 2 plus 1 is also 3, which is fine. But we want minus 3. So how will we get minus 3? We'll have to get minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 1 is minus 3. So here the factors are x minus 2 into x minus 1. We'll have to write like this. So this is a simpler one. But in this case, we will have to split 5x into these numbers, minus 4 and minus 1. So we get limit x tending to 2. Let's take the common between these two values. Common is 2x. So we get x minus 2. And here again we can take minus is common. So we'll get x minus 2. X minus 2 into x minus 1. Now if you notice here, x minus 2 and x minus 2 is common again. So what will we get? If you take x minus 2 as common here, we are left with 2x and minus 1. I will carry forward this x minus 2 by x minus 1. X minus 2 and x minus 2 will get cancelled. Now we can substitute x as 2 in this equation. We get x is 2. So we get 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is 3 by 1. So answer is 3.